Sometimes during your presentation, you might want to share or draw something using a whiteboard. In order to do that, click on Share Screen, then choose Whiteboard, and click on Share. When Whiteboard will appear, you will have a set of tools available to you to do whatever you would like. First one is a text. All you have to do is just click on it, and then click on a particular area, and just type whatever you want to type. You also have an ability to draw with a whole bunch of different objects. For example, we can do something like that. You also have an ability to use stamps, such as arrows, check marks, which are particularly useful for checking off students' work, or X's if something is wrong, or don't do. You also have a spotlight tool. These ones are actually very useful. The first one in here will allow you to have a little red circle next to your arrow so your students can immediately see, or your audience can see, where you're currently at any point in time. You also have an ability to use a specific arrow with your name, so whenever you're pointing something out, you could say look in here, and then you'll be able to post it. Note how it doesn't duplicate the arrow, it just moves it to a different area every time I click with my name on it. The reason for that is that if you have multiple people contributing, each person will have their own name on the arrow. You will also have an eraser. Eraser will allow you to erase any specific object. Once again, note that it does not erase a specific part of an object, but rather the whole object, like this. Formatting allows you to adjust the colors, the thickness, and the bold, italics, or the size of the text. Then you have undo, redo button. Clear has multiple options. Ability to clear everything, clear only your drawings. For example, if other people added their own stuff, it will leave theirs in there. Or clear viewers' drawing, that means others but not yours. And finally, you have a save ability. For example, if you've drawn something and explained something and you want to share it with the rest of the people, especially if someone did not attend your meeting, then you'll be able to click on save, and it will tell you that it has saved to the whiteboard, to the folder as a file, as a picture, and then you will be able to look at it the moment the meeting is over. One final feature I would like to show you is an ability to have multiple pages within Whiteboard. Let's say you already filled up everything in here and there's no space, but you would still like to keep what you have. In the right bottom corner, you'll have this little icon. So just simply click on it, and you will notice that it will open up a whole new page. You can continue clicking to add more and more pages. You could navigate between those pages by simply clicking on left or right directional arrow. To stop sharing the screen, simply click Stop Share.